Hi there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I want to show you how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 10 and Windows 11. To fix the Microsoft Store, I recommend uninstalling the Microsoft Store first and then reinstalling it. That should fix any issues you might be having. If you want to uninstall it, right-click on the Start button and then open PowerShell as administrator. If you don't see PowerShell or Terminal as an option here, just do a search for it. Once PowerShell is open, enter this command. I've also left this command in the description down below, so you can go and copy it from there, and then just paste it into PowerShell with the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl and V. Once you have the command in PowerShell, just press Enter to run it. When it's finished, you can close PowerShell. The Microsoft Store will now be uninstalled from your computer, and you won't have access to it anymore. Now let's reinstall the Microsoft Store. To download the Microsoft Store, you need to download the Xbox app for Windows first. Start by opening your browser of choice and do a Google search for Xbox app for Windows. The best match should be the Xbox app for Windows PC. Go ahead and click on that. Alternatively, you can also go to xbox.com directly. On the Xbox webpage, scroll down until you find this button that says Download the app and click on it. It will download the Xbox app installer, and once it's done, just click on the executable file to open it. It will open the Xbox app installation wizard. Now you need to accept the terms and click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete, and once it's done, click on the Let's Go button. It will open the Xbox app for Windows, and now you need to click on Browse the Catalogue. You should be seeing this banner up here that says there are missing components for the Xbox app, and you can go ahead and click on Review Now. But in case you don't see that banner, click on this Sign In button here, and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on General. Now you'll see a list of all of the dependencies for the Xbox app, and one of them will be the Microsoft Store. Click on the Install button next to the Microsoft Store to start the installation. It might take a few minutes, but when it's finished, you should see a notification saying that the Microsoft Store was just installed. Now you can go ahead and open the Microsoft Store and use it on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.